Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we've got a beautiful fondant rose layer cake for you. Let's have a go. Start with a basic strawberry cake and pipe on white buttercream icing. Layer it up and coat. Smooth it out. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and then roll out some pink fondant icing. Cut it into strips. Then wrap them around like so to form a spiral. Place that aside and next roll out white fondant icing. Cutting that into strips too. Ready to wrap around your cake. Using water as glue to stick on each layer, slightly overlapping. Lovely. Now place your pink fondant spiral on the top and paint the edges with gold food colouring. Beautiful. For a finishing touch, stick on some gold leaf. Here and there, around the sides. And there you have it. Carefully slice and reveal the pink delight that lies within. Fondant Rose Layer Cake. Enjoy!